So, I want to teach you today what Grandpa taught us in UAE. I have taken permission from him. And he said, my grandchildren need to learn everything that my son knows. Okay. So, are you ready to learn? Yes. I believe in this season, God is going to expose some evil plans. परमेश्वर, if I can see God, अगर मैं परमेश्वर की आवाज सुन सकता हूं, परमेश्वर कुछ योजनाएं हैं दुश्मन की जो आपके खिलाफ है, आपके परिवार के खिलाफ है, आपके शहर के खिलाफ है, आपकी कलीसिया के खिलाफ है, जो इस देश के परमेश्वर कुछ evil plans को expose करेगा. For that we need to hear the voice of God. Prophet comes to an evil king and says, your life is in danger. He doesn't come to a righteous man. वो एक अधर्मी राजा के पास आता है और कहता है तेरा जीवन खतरे में, तो मैं बोलूंगा वैसा करेगा तो तू जिएगा. आमीन. राजा को उसकी जान प्यारी थी, वो सुनता है उसका बात और वो बच जाता है. God comes to Adam and says, Adam, what have you done? When Adam sinned, the question is, why could this king and Adam hear the voice of God even when they had fallen? कि क्यों ये आदम और राजा दोनों परमेश्वर की आवाज तब भी सुन सके? क्यों परमेश्वर उनके पास आके उनसे बातें कर सका तब भी जब वो परमेश्वर से अलग हो गए थे, दूर हो गए थे, वो गिरे हुए थे? They were in a fallen state. Why? Do you want to know why? You want to know why? Come on, you guys. It was simple. Adam was still in the garden where God placed him. आदम अभी भी उस बगीचे में ही था जहां परमेश्वर ने उसको रखा था. He was an evil king, but he was still in Israel. You've got to know where is the voice of God coming to you from. तुमको जानना जरूरी है कि परमेश्वर का आवाज तुम्हारे पास कहां से आ रहा है. You've got to be around that place. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? If Adam would have said, अगर आदम ये बोलता, अरे मैंने पाप किया, मैं भागता हूं इधर से, God would have never spoken to him. But because he was still in the garden, see, we need to understand where God has placed us and why. क्यों परमेश्वर ने मुझको कहां रखा है? क्योंकि जहां मैं हूं वहीं, जहां परमेश्वर ने मुझे रखा है वहीं परमेश्वर का आवाज मेरे पास आएगा. If I run away from where God has placed me, God will not come after me. But because you are rooted where you are, because there is a voice of God over your life, there is protection where you are. And that is why we need to understand where the voice of God is coming to me from. We need to be careful who we are giving our ear to. किसको मैं अपने कान दे रहा हूं, किसका आवाज मैं सुन रहा हूं, मुझे ध्यान देना है. You need to recognize who and what is the voice of God over your life. Listen, school में, if you're supposed to sit right now in a math class, अगर आपको गणित का क्लास में बैठना है, लेकिन आप उठ के अपना बाजू, आपने बंक नहीं किया, आपने स्कूल का बाहर जाके मस्ती नहीं किया, आपने वो क्लास छोड़ के किसी और क्लास में जाके बैठ के आपने लेक्चर सुना, डू यू थिंक योर टीचर इज गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी विथ यू? आपका टीचर खुश रहेगा आपसे? Are you, come on, talk to me. Why? Because in that season, you were supposed to be in that class, listening to that professor. But what did you choose to do? You went some other way. That is why I'm saying we need to listen to the voice of God. Recognize जानना है कहां से परमेश्वर का आवाज तुम्हारे जीवन में आता है. See, the enemy will always break protocol. दुश्मन हमेशा ना बैकडोर एंट्री करेगा. Listen, who was in charge of the garden? Adam. गार्डन का इंचार्ज कौन था? एडम था. Whom did the devil come and speak to? He broke protocol. But when God has to speak, whom did God come and spoke to? God will never break protocol. God could have spoken to Eve directly. परमेश्वर हवा से डायरेक्टली बात कर सकता था, लेकिन किया नहीं, क्योंकि God has placed protocols. Those protocols protect us. परमेश्वर ने जो प्रोटोकॉल मेरे लाइफ में रखा है उसमें मेरा सुरक्षा है. So if a voice is coming outside of that protocol, you need to shut your ear and say no. You might be a good voice, but I already have a voice speaking to me.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you were blessed. Do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below. God bless.